1314 Spa, box 87. Johnny Manziel on the box.
He's good.
He had a good couple games, huh? What happened? Yeah.
He got me for this time too.
Super FX. Did you see it? That'll be the last pack we'll do.
You see this ball control? You see this, right? It's 80% confidence and 64%.
What are you over there?
I know that's more than 100%, but that's what really good. Now, replicate your old form, Jay, and do an IRA.
These cards are beautiful.
Listen, just get your Ameritrade's relevant consultants on the horn. They'll guide you through the whole process. It's simple. Even she could do it. Whatever, Janet.
Jesus Christ. Bryn Renner. I thought this stuff was clean. Thought they didn't put that crap in there. SP check. Bryn Renner. Is he on an NFL practice squad even?
It's an SP.
How do you know?
It's always that card.
Third card? Okay, we'll put that in
Third
there.
card before the spacer.
The recap
Anytime
pile.
it's after the spacer, it's either a rookie or an auto.
Huh. It's a good observation. We got a Teddy. Teddy and Copeland. Who's Copeland?
I like putting on it. It's like that Notre Dame one I got.
I pulled that. And Reese. Did he get drafted? Reese?
I don't think so.
Canvas. Oh. Those cards are cool. I didn't like what they did last year with it. They, Bortles. They look just like the base, but they had canvas. You couldn't really, I mean, you could tell, but it's cool when they make them different. Like in 2012 when they did it. We're like spa critics. You're right, third card. Jarvis. So, Topps Platinum. Kadeem Carey for $10 patch. Marquise Lee.
I'm still learning how to do certain things.
Those spacers are dynamite, dude, for shipment. So strong. Can I have all yours? Yeah, I'm off to throw those in a box one night. Yeah.
Oh, here it is.
Oh, shit. Guesses? Devontae? You pulled Devontae.
No!
Logan? That's nice, though, right? $5.50 on the Logan? I thought they cleaned this up. Looks pretty dirty to me. Bryn Renner and Logan Thomas. At least the boxes aren't that expensive, right? Oh, that's what we have. Yeah? Because if you bought this one box, you'd be like, oh, that product sucks, right? And you'd say that product sucks. You know what else we have with this box? Bonus hit. To rely on. Teddy. We got a canvas. Carlos Hyde canvas. How many cards did I get in that pack?
Yeah, you get a lot in the canvas.
I got 8. 8 cards in that pack.
Okay. Auto time or rookie.
Jimmy cracked corn and I don't care.
Indian Garoppolo.
Love those cards. SP.
The bus.
Martavis. Team. Cool one. Manning clears room on his trophy shelf. I remember when he was a sophomore and everybody was ranting about him. I was like, who is this Peyton Manning kid?
Archie Manning's boy.
Peyton Manning, I like Ryan Leaf. Got that arm.
I mean, just to put those numbers in percentage terms, because I think it's easier to wrap your brain around. They lost 11
That was a good catch.
28% of their net worth.
There he is.
Americans, especially
That's my new PC.
feeling worse since the president's been in office. Brad, how do you account for that?
Well, I don't know how the president can counter that with
SP.
proposals now that are being offered in the State of the Union. This is the
And Rajon.
economics, taking the risk into the war. The problem is
Rajon Rondo, I mean.
Just waiting on one hit.
the top
And we should have some more of those 2000 SP Authentic inserts.
So the
Why not right here, right?
president
Rookie.
is to make
Got it.
jobs available. This is
The
gonna be a
rapist.
job speed. This is going to be a tax and
The rapist, brother.
something we've heard from Democrats in the past. This is the time he's getting good. The president's going to put a stop to it.
Mary, I mean, there is a real problem out there for Americans.
He's playing quarterback.
Black Dragon, baby, Kano.
Do you feel like the
Watkins.
recession is over? Only 31% of respondents
I like these
said
cards.
that they feel
I know you
the
don't like them. I
recession
think they're
is
cool.
over. 64% said
I like some of them.
we're still
I don't like
in a
You like it when it's just one
I don't
guy.
like the Notre Dame, I don't like the Louisville, I don't like the auto I got of Big Brown, like Brent Renner.
She's in the photo too.
because they're worse
I don't need
off
that.
than when the president took office. How does he deal with that?
Haha.
Speaking of Brent Renner,
Speaking of 2 picks on Sunday,
To address it is the fact is the middle class hasn't done well
we should have a hit, right?
more like Clinton Pitt.
That doesn't count. That's bonus. That Super FX.
Yeah,
Should be. Gonna short my ass though.
Here it is.
Lucky Bortles. 999. Beckham Jr. He's the type of player when you pull his base rookie, you're excited.
Should be a canvas auto then, right?
No, it'll just be canvas. David Farrell's.
Right, so you only got 2 hits?
Hmm.
Do you think that it gets
That's
Well, that's right from
2
the
hits.
Brent Renner and Logan Thomas, right?
The
Yeah.
president has checked over the last 6 years. The person that is dealing with
Product's moving down quick.
Biden and Mitch McConnell dealing with tax extenders, dealing with allowing taxes to stay low for everybody. And there was a tax.
These are cool. Jesus.
Of course.
You know what this is?
Vice President and Mitch McConnell.
EX.
2001.
You know who the hit is? It's gonna be Kadeem Carey. Yep.
I know in Massachusetts, you
Logan
can actually
Thomas,
check the box and send more money
Josh
to
Huff,
the state government.
and Kadeem Carey.
Of course not. I mean, they knew that they didn't have
Courtesy
that.
us.
You can send checks right now, folks.
It's kind of cool though. So that's a claim, right?
Yeah, 2 hits.
2 hits. The FX is a bonus. Kadeem Carey, Bortles,
People make more, they pay more in taxes. It's not
SPs.
us sending money to the government for the government to spend money we don't have.
It's kind of cool, Logan.
Create jobs, Mr. President. Don't create burdens on a class that's already burdened enough.
Yeah, I'll have to fill out a claim, or I could just send the video link.